Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I go about creating my circle text designs in Silhouette Studio. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about how I create my circle text, then keep on watching. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. I remember when I first started learning how to design in Silhouette Studio, curving text seemed nearly impossible, so hopefully this quick little tip helps you out. So Silhouette Studio makes it actually really easy to curve text. All you do is get your text, make sure that it's whatever size you'd like, go over to the shapes and then create a circle like I'm doing here, and you can size your circle to whatever size you need it to be, and then we're going to double click on our text. So when we double click, we see this little cursor come out and we're able to move that around. And do you see how it just curved the text super easy? You just grab it by that plus sign and then move it around to wherever you need it to be. It's super simple, right? I don't know why I struggled with this so much in the beginning, but I like to always turn my grid on to make sure that everything is nice and even. If we wanted to add text to the bottom, we would basically do the same thing, just double click on your text and then place it wherever you need it to be. Do you see how it goes on the outside? But if I place it through the middle, it goes on the inside of the circle. So there's different ways you can do this, you just have to mess with it. So I'm just moving it around to my liking, and then once I found a spot that I like, do you see this little cursor right here? All you do is you grab this, and then if you go down, it goes outwards. So you're able to fill out your circle nicely, or if you pick it up, it'll go inwards. So you can just go ahead and mess with this and see whatever fits your design. Alrighty y'all, and that's how I create my circle design. If I were to send it to my Cameo, you see right here, it comes out nicely. So this technique can be applied to any shape that you'd like. I'm going to show a quick clip here of me putting text into a heart. I'm just going to head over to my shapes and click the heart and just create a quick heart design to show you how I apply the text onto it. So when it comes to different shapes, it can be a little bit tricky. So here you would just go ahead and mess with it to figure out wherever the text would look nicely. And here I am just messing with the text, trying to find a great position for it. And here I'm going to just speed through the process of me trying to find the perfect position for my design. Alrighty y'all, so that's how I go about creating curved text in Silhouette Studio. Super simple, super easy. If I missed anything, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you'd like to follow me over there. I would greatly appreciate the support. Once again, thank you so much for watching.